Guys, the finished product. Green plantain stuffed with ground beef. Good, trust me. You gotta try this. Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm gonna share with you tostones stuffed with ground beef, or as we Jamaicans often say, green plantain stuffed with ground beef. So first we have to season the meats. So I'm just adding onion, garlic, all-purpose, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, also adding some bell peppers. So now we just add the meat and we cook until it is no longer pink. Now the beef is cooked, I'm just gonna add tomato paste. I just mix it up. Next, I'm just adding some diced tomato. So now I'm just gonna put the beef aside. Ground beef is done, now I'm gonna work on the plantain. I'm just frying the plantain. Plantain is done, I'm just gonna remove them. Now I'm just gonna press the plantain into the shape that I want. Now that I have the shape that I want, I'm just going to drop it in the oil for another 2 minutes. So now I just drop the cup. Green plantain stuffed with ground beef.